Good morning. Okay, guys, so today we're going to do a little bit of writing. And by a little bit, I mean probably a lot more than you would like. So today, here are the things you will need. You will need excuse me. You will need 2 pieces of paper. I like to use one white piece of paper and one notebook, but it's okay if you have just 2 plain paper or 2 notebook paper. So here's what we're going to do today. We're going to practice making something. So first things first, I have provided a prompt, and this is the prompt that we did yesterday, right? So prompt. And then this is the prompt, and this is part of the prompt too. I separated them on a piece of paper to make it a little easier for me, okay? So our first part of the prompt was think about all the hard work you do. It may be work you do at school, at home, or outside. So when we have our think, I like to kind of separate it out and figure out exactly what I'm looking for. So first things first, I'm going to circle all the hard work you do because that's the main thing I'm looking for. And then, but I do a lot of things. So how can I narrow it down? How can I get it a better idea? It may be work you do at school. I'm going to underline school. At home, I'm going to underline home. Or outside, I'm going to underline outside. Now, you're going to make what I call a think bubble or brainstorming bubble. And we're going to put things in here that we do at school. I put classwork and math. Things at home, I help out with gardening and chores. And then outside, well, I play sports. I guess gardening could be outside too. Well, and I guess chores could be, or cleaning our room could be at home. Okay. So then once I get a few for each category, I'm going to choose one. Why do I know I'm choosing one? Because when you come down to write about one type of hard work you do, okay? So I chose classwork because I think I can write a lot about all of the classwork that I do and how hard it is, right? So that's another thing. You have to think about how hard it is. Not just that you do a lot of work, but remember the main point it's wanting you to make is the hard work you do. That's why we circled this, okay? So write about one type of hard work you do. Tell about your work and explain why it is so hard to do. Okay, so we're going to tell about our work, right? So tell, we need to answer the tell. We also need to answer the explain. So we need to make sure with when we're writing, we are telling the work we do, and then we're explaining why it is so hard to do. Okay? So, and just remember, our main topic, the central idea that we're writing about is classwork is hard work to do, right? So let's go to our blank piece of paper. I'm going to show you how to set up a expository graphic organizer. You can also call it a expository map. So we are going to, because when we're explaining or describing something, we are writing an expository. So we're going to make what I call our introduction box. And it's not going to look perfect. Look, I'm not even. It's okay. So this is our introduction. Okay, so remember, in an introduction paragraph, in our introduction paragraph, what do we do? Or what do we have? We have, let's see, we have a topic sentence. We have supporting details. And what do we have? We have a conclusion, right? Okay, and then what do they do? They do. So what does the topic sentence do? Introduces the topic. Okay? Supporting details. They support the topic. And remember what our topic is. And then conclusion. Restates topic in slightly different words. Okay? You're not just rewriting the topic sentence, but you're kind of restating it, right? Okay, so now what we're going to do, we have our introduction here. And next week, we're really going to focus on transitions, but we need to have a transition because we are not just ending at the introduction, right? We're going to go to you're going to draw a new box, and you're not going to mess up your paper like Mr. Herring just did. You're going to draw a second box. And they need to be long, kind of like this. Again, they don't need to be perfect. If you want to get a ruler out and do this, okay, that is fine, especially for those of you at home. If you are perfectionists, that is okay. So, first thing we're going to do, this is our main point 1. This is main point 2. This is main point 3. Okay, so for our main points, what do you think our main points do? Main point 1. What do we need in main point 1? We need dash topic sentence. Okay, and we'll talk about what that topic sentence could be about. We need supporting details. And we need a conclusion. Okay, so this is going to be the same for main points 1, 2, and 3. You'll need a topic sentence, supporting details, and conclusion. Now, are we writing about a new topic? No, correct. We're still writing about our same topic, right? Classwork is hard to do. So, think about classwork. What different types of classes do you have? Which ones are the hardest for you? The hardest for me were math, science, and writing. Okay? So, I could plan this out. Topic sentence, we're going to talk about math. Topic sentence, we're going to talk about science. Topic sentence, we're going to talk about writing. Okay, so now we're going to add to our graphic organizer now. I'm going to draw 2 lines and then make it an arrow because we go from main topic 1 to main point 2. We go from main point 2, you guessed it, to main point 3. Once we are at main point 3, are we done? No, of course not. So let us finish our organizer. And guys, this is an organizer that you can use anytime you're writing. Even if it's not expository, this can help you organize. And I'm going to tell you, we're going to need to start using this. This is why we're learning this. And you're going to see this for the next 4 weeks. So we start with our introduction. We go to our main point. 1, 2, 3. And then we come to our conclusion. And what's in our conclusion? Well, What does a conclusion do? Well, let's see. The first thing we need is we are going to restate our central idea. You can restate supporting main points. And then end with restating the topic first from our introduction, our first topic sentence, right? And guys, this week we've been working on our introduction, right? And just working on building a paragraph, building a good topic sentence with a hook. Next week, we're going to really work on transitions and our main points, our body paragraphs, okay? So I'm going to include a picture of this and this. So our brainstorming and how to set up our graphic organizer. I want to see your own graphic organizer set up much the same way. And what we're going to do, we're going to practice using our prompt, okay? So make sure, like, you can put you need topic sentences. That's fine. I would make 2 of these, one to practice with today and one to kind of show you how to set it up. Okay, so I should see 2 pictures from you. One, set up like mine. The other one, let's see what work we can get done today, okay? All right, guys, you're going to use this topic on your practice. And I'll type up the instructions too. Y'all have a great day. Be safe, be warm, and high five.